God. What is up, guys? Show Off 3.4 here with another vlog. So yesterday was a great day because I got my truck detailed for the first time and it looks so good. Hope you guys liked how it looked. I know I loved it. It pretty much reminded me of the first day I picked it up and it just made me happy. Right now, I don't know if you remember my buddy Marty. He had that 04 Duramax. Well, he still got it, but he bought another one. He bought a LML 2012 Duramax last week, and he already wants to straight pipe it, so that's what we're gonna go do right now. Look at that. All that is just my transmission fluid is leaking onto my catalytic converter. It's smoking her out. Alright, this is a little before. The new LML that we're getting rid of that stupid little muffler. Booyah. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Junk. You don't need them. Oh. Get her done. Holy frick, dude.
It shifted gears when I let off the brake.
Oh, yeah.
Tires were spinning fast enough that I let off and shifted.
We're already in Marty's second truck, the OG truck. This one, you think this one's louder? I think it's a teeny bit louder. They've seen this one before, but I'll show them again. Say that again.
We're gonna race them, the two dirties against each other.
We got to race LLY versus LML. Which one am I gonna drive?
Definitely not that one.
Not this one, okay. I'm just kidding. I'm down to race this one. So this is the OG Marty's collection here. his Duramax collection.
Dude, I'm gonna own a Duramax from every model.
Dude, that's like honestly a dream, is to like have a vehicle that you could just have every generation.
Except the LB7, because that's garbage. Hate LB7s.
Oh, triggered. But yeah, dude.
LY, LBZ.
This is Marty's other baby right here.
The good 500 horsepower.
Marty. I made a video on this too. I was driving it.
Yeah, it's dope.
It's pretty fun. So not only does he have a 2012 LML, come on, focus. He's got a 2012 LML back there. Then he's got his 04. And he also has 76 square body. Yeah, he's got some big plans with this thing. So that'll be pretty cool to see. Sounds pretty nice, runs and drives pretty good. Alright, so it's been a couple hours since I last said anything to you guys. But now we are at Jalen's house. And right now it's just me and her. Pretty soon, Marty's gonna join us again. Anyway, we're gonna sit down by the pool, hang out a little bit, go to my house for some grilling. So I figured I'd bring you guys along. Kind of watch the end of the day. Jump in. They want to see you jump in. Jump right on Todd.
Oh.
Aww.
Marty's let me drive the D-Max.
Alright, so right now, I had to finish yesterday's video with the truck because I wanted to get it in daytime sunlight. And now Marty cleaned up his Duramax. So we're gonna go ahead and get some nice pictures of the clean trucks. Unfortunately, I don't know if you can see it. Here's all my crap from driving home yesterday. That really sucked when that happened. Alright, so Marty has well, on his old truck, he's got a tune. He's got a what?
Don't get it. This
all right.
is all messy, so don't show that.
All right.
Sure.
So like I was saying in the last one, Marty's old truck, he's got an Edge, right? Edge tuner?
Edge CS2.
Edge CS2 tuner. Now on this one, he bought it with, what is this one?
Torque Tech.
Which he's gonna get a different tune for it. But while he's got it, we're gonna use it. And right now we've been driving it on level 2. We're putting it to 4 now.
Change programming.
All programming is in for off-highway race competition use only. This is for racing competition, so we're okay.
Yes. Performance.
Oh man, this is freaking awesome.
No. 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 Yet.
All right, boys, we are in business, Marty.
The show floor up there.
Nice face. Oh, there you go. That's what we wanted right there. Right freaking there. What do you think? What do you think? She'll blow some? How hard do you want me to rev it? Here, take this.
Just a little.
Just a little, like a little baby one?
No, like half. Zach, come listen to it.
It sounds so much louder. All right, we're going back to swim. Got Hunter in the Jeep, got the truck tuned on 4, and we got the car. Let's go. Marty needs some more tranny fluid. Just put some in yesterday. It's getting pretty bad. All right, we're gonna go for a ride now that he's got it on setting number 4.
Is Jay staying?
Yeah.
Holy crap, still going. Already at 95.
So we got some new headlights on this sucker and fogs.
Tried kind of cleaning the engine bay a little bit. Dude,
Oh, you cleaned the valve cover for sure.
Hey, Chop, did you get my engine?
I don't think I did. Is this Spectre? Oh yeah, it is. Looks good though. Jesus Christ.
Alright. 1, 2, 3!
Holy.
1, 2, 3!
Ow.
She was coming right through your back.
This is frightening. I'm kind of scared, to be honest.
I'm actually so weak and fragile.
I am very scared,
Oh god,
actually.
this is gonna be a big splash.
Yeah, get your foot on.
1,
5,
It's really run well.
3,
2, 1, go!
okay. 1, 2,
I swear every time he's gonna break his arm.
Backs off, you didn't see that coming? That's off. Oh, he just jumped at you.
Almost kicked me.
Don't
fall.
Well,
will not.
that's because you have to come over and like actually swim.
Oh god!
I think you didn't want to.
Done swimming. Now we're going for a cruise to get ice cream in the Jeep with the top off. I have not done this in too freaking long. Too long. Holy frick, that's slow loud. Look at these new lights, do it. Dang. It like finishes the Jeep. That's bright?
Yeah.
Jeez, dude.
Yeah, they're not exactly aimed. They're aimed decent.
Blinker fluid, baby. Oh, they can't see it. Oh,
Whoa!
blinker fluid.
Oh, this one's out again. Let's go! Dude, it looks like it's light out still in that
We got 1 minute to make it to Dairy Queen. Get in the drive-thru. Come on, baby, let's go. That's all right. Once we get in,
No, you can't. I think the doors are locked.
get in there. Get in there. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
I want the peanut butter cookie dough.
I want that too.
That sounds pretty good, actually. Make 3 of those.
Welcome to the Dairy Queen. I'm gonna help you.
Oh yeah. They shut all the lights off as we left. We got it, baby. Let's go. Get hype. All right. It's my turn to drive this sucker. It's midnight and we're on our way to the casino. Let's go. Sing it.
It's a party in the USA.
That way if you get too high, it will. You can't tell me that everyone in this garage didn't hear that. Honestly, we can flip it
All right, park the truck. We're gonna head in the casino. We're gonna win some money. I'll be right back. Well, Didn't really come out
Please
winners.
proceed to the highlighted route.
Okay.
Then the route guidance will start.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you like those kind of type of vlogs. I like keeping the channel car related, but sometimes it's fun to add extra things in there, like cruising around, having a good time, but keeping it car related. And like the pool stuff, I know you can't really car relate that, but you know, just kind of the extra stuff during the day when I'm out with my friends. So let me know if you like that kind of stuff. Video is kind of long. I made sure to put the straight piping part first because it's what the title of this video is, and I know that's what some people are gonna click on it for. But yeah, like I said, if you like the video, let me know, because I always enjoy making those videos. Look at the car. Looks so good right now. Too bad you're broken. Speaking of the car, I just ordered the package, let's put it that way, for the car, or for something for the car. So, and I just talked to my cousin, who I go to his house to work on the car with and stuff, like use this hoist and everything, where we lowered the suspension. And pretty soon here, we are going to take my parts car up there and drop the cradle and get working on it. Hoping within like the next couple of days I can get the car up there and start working on it. So we are gonna start moving on the car here pretty soon. Like I said, I just ordered something for it, and I got a lot more things I gotta order for it. And I'll show you guys what it is when we get here. It's not that exciting, but it's a process. We got a cool cars meet to go to this week, or not a meet. It's a cool car. It's called Cool Cars Show. Entire weekend in Bay City. A lot of classic cars and all that stuff. Take over downtown. So you're gonna be seeing a video on that the next 3 videos or so. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.